Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set temperature in centralized AC. First, find your thermostat, usually on an interior wall. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its display and buttons. You'll typically see options for cool, heat, and off. Choose the mode that suits your current needs, whether you want to cool down or warm up your space. This initial step is crucial for proper system operation. Once you've selected your mode, use the up and down arrows or plus and minus buttons to adjust the desired temperature. For cooling, a common comfortable range is between 72 degrees F and 78 degrees F. For heating, many prefer 68 degrees F to 72 degrees F. After setting, give your system a few minutes to kick in and begin adjusting the room's climate. Patience is key as the system works to reach your chosen setting. Next, consider your fan settings. Auto is generally recommended, as the fan will only run when your AC is actively cooling or heating, saving energy. If you prefer continuous air circulation, select On. Many thermostats also allow you to program a schedule, automatically adjusting temperatures throughout the day. This can significantly improve energy efficiency and maintain comfort when you're home. For even greater control, explore smart thermostats that offer remote access and learning capabilities. Remember to change your air filters regularly, typically every 1 to 3 months, to ensure optimal airflow and system efficiency. A clean filter can make a big difference in air quality and energy use. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.